A mystery chest. Let's open it. It's an eel. Oops! I have an idea for today. First, I will conceive a small eel. It's done. Pepper. We add salt. Unagi sauce. Mix them well. Add lemon. It's done. Next, we skewer the eel onto a stick. Set fire. It's done. Let's grill eel. Brush the sauce evenly over the eel. Turn the meat evenly until crushed. Oh my god, it's raining heavily. Let's make sushi together. Eel meat. Seaweed. We add seaweed leaves. It's done. Add rice. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. Crab stick. Avocado. Roe. Let's curl up together. Place eel meat on top. The piece... What is this? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's relax with me. Huh? Wow! Gift from nature. Oh my god. Ah! I'll make a nice dinner. First, we have to prepare it. Squid. Remove its skin. Slice it. Parsley. Breadcrumbs. And black pepper. Cheese. Salt. Mix it up. Olive oil. It's done! Scoop the stuffing ingredients into the squid. Head. Use a toothpick to fix the squid head.
Huh?
You deserve it, naughty cat. Flour. Cooking oil. Garlic. Let's fry stuffed squid. Lemon. That looks so good. Take it out. Slice it. Sauce. Parsley. Chili. It looks so... Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Let me make you a new one. Okay, chicken. Give me back my chicken. First, we need chicken. Water. Turmeric powder. Put the chicken inside. Now take it out. Ooh la la. Yummy. Oh my god, it's rotten. Seed corn. Potato. Mash them. Slice the chicken. Put them in the bowl. Chili powder. Pepper. Salt. Mix it. Put them in egg. And pour a flour. Then cooking oil. Let's fry them. It's okay. It's good. Here you are. I'm truly sorry. Wow, it's okay, bro. Good. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, let's go to supermarket with Tina. It's mine. It's mine. Now, I see first. Yeah, I won. Let's go home. I will make fried chicken. We have chicken thighs. Add a little milk. Honey. Garlic powder. Mix it up. Salt. Soak the chicken in milk. Take it. Stop right now. Cheetos. Egg. Flour. Add a little milk. Mix it up. Roll the chicken in a layer of flour and eggs. It's okay. Add a layer of Cheetos. Add a layer of Takis. It's done. Cooking oil. Let's fry it. so good. Take it out. Wow, it looks delicious. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Go fishing with Tina. Wow, it's channel. Today, let's fish. Another fish. Yeah, I got it. Today, I will cook a delicious dish. We have fish. Grate the fish scales. First. Next, cut the fish fins. It's okay. Slice it. Salt. Done. Black pepper. Go shooting. Chili powder. Lemon. Olive oil. Brush sauce on fish. Mix it up. Huh? What is that? It's colorful fishes. So beautiful. So cute. Lemon. Tomato. Onion. Put ingredients into the tray. Fish. Add a few tomato slices. Parsley leaves. Let's bake it. Onion. Olive oil. Salt. Bell pepper. Black pepper. Mix it. Oyster. Take it out. That smells so delicious. Wow, it looks delicious.